welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment, the long-awaited apartment tour. So if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. So first, when you come in, it's got this cute mat from Target. And then we walk in, and here is the apartment. It's got the long hallway, my makeshift coat closet, out of a clothing rack, this cute little dresser from Tuesday morning. We turn and immediately we're in my bathroom. Now that we're in my bathroom, I just have this over my toilet, over the toilet storage. This is from Walmart. And then my shower curtain is from Tuesday morning. I really like it. And right here, I just keep my laundry hamper. I got this one from Burlington. I've got a nice washer and dryer right here too. Now, of course, we walk a little ways and you kind of turn and we're in my bedroom. Now we're in my bedroom. It's a little darker in here, so I actually have an extra lamp that I'll show you guys. But my duvet cover is from Shein. All of my pillows are like from the at-home store, or like this fluffy one is from Walmart. And then this little elephant that I have is from IKEA. I just think it's so cute. And then I actually have a little nightstand over here that I redid. I got it from a thrift store. Next, I have just my dresser. This one is actually from like a place like Dirt Cheap or the Bargain Hunt. I found it for like $35 and I just repainted it. Definitely check out places like that. They have hidden gems. Also, on the other side of my bed, I have this cute picture from a place like maybe Burlington, Ross, something like that. I just really like it. Over here in this corner on the other side of my bed, I have this little vision board I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just made it. I will link the video if you'd like to see it. And then over here, I just have like a poof, a plant, and like my extra luggage. So this is something that's just like over here, just because I have like a really small space. This picture up here is from Amazon. I got this lamp from Burlington. And then I love the little shoe rack down here from Walmart. And here is my tiny closet. And I stack shoes because I have a lot of shoes. I stack them up top, and then I also stack them towards the bottom. Now, when you come out of my bedroom, we have my hallway. I just wanted to stand here and give you guys a feel for how big my hallway is. I can actually like roll stuff through here. So since a lot of the space in this apartment is in the hallway, I decided to go ahead and add stuff to the hallway. These shelves are from, they're really old. I'm actually not sure, maybe Bed Bath & Beyond. Just put a nice plant. Got my diploma up here. And then this trunk, I actually used to use as my coffee table in my last apartment. It is just like a little decor now. And I just turned it up sideways and took the handles off the side. And this little tray is from Ross. I have like kind of gallery wall vibes. You know, I didn't want to cover this. I have to open it a lot. I basically use Dollar Tree frames. Next, after the hallway, we have my office, dining room, living room, and kitchen all together. Okay, here is my most used, I would say that, but I'm in here quite a bit. As you can see, this is my desk. I just wanted to show it from a bigger frame so you can kind of get a feel for the size of the space. This is my desk. I work from home, and I've been working from home for a year. Initially, I wasn't planning to work from home for this long of a period, so that is why I actually wanted to move into a bigger space, because as you can see, my couch is right here, my desk is right here, so it doesn't flow as well as I would hope. And then I only had space for this little dining room table over here. Here is my desk area. I got my desk from Target. The plant is from Hobby Lobby. Over here is my vision scroll that I made myself, so I'll link that video. This cute little memo board is actually from Aldi. And so I said manifesting my dream life. And then here's my TV up there. Next to my desk is one of my favorite pieces, which is just this full-length mirror. And I'm also realizing I didn't talk about the stuff next to the mirror. This red box keeps like my seasonal clothes. So at this moment, it has like my summer clothing. As you saw, my closet was very small. And then I just have a bag that I use quite frequently, my ring light, and just a candle. And then this little picture is just one that I found. I'm not really sure, I can't remember where it's from, but I used a frame from Walmart. So now we show a little bit more of like my couch and kitchen area. My couch is actually from Wayfair, and then all of the pillows are from Groupon. I just thought they were really cute. That cover on the back is a duvet cover from Bed Bath & Beyond. I really like kind of the travel theme, which is also why I have this cute postcard picture canvas from a local store here called Southeastern Salvage in Birmingham. And I just really liked this. Thought it was a nice touch. Again, I'll show you guys an up close of my dining room table. It's a bar table from Home Depot, and both of these chairs are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I was gonna clean it off for you guys, but I was editing, so this is like my little editing spot. So a lot of times I work my 9 to 5 job here, and then I'll edit sometimes over there just to change it up. And then this little picture is from Amazon. And now I can zoom back. You can see my lovely windows. They're floor to ceiling. They've got blinds. As you can see, it looks out into like the middle section, which I would love to look at stuff because they're such beautiful windows, but that's okay. I actually keep my desk chair right over here in this corner next to my bar cart because the handles do not fit underneath the desk. So these little pieces right here don't fit underneath the desk. So it just makes the space very bulky right here between the couch and the desk. So I just keep another one of the pillows from the couch on it and a blanket. We have my bar cart. It's got a lot of just random stuff, aloe plant, liquor that I drink. And then I have this little canvas, if it'll focus, sorry about the lighting, that is from Ross. Now, this is also from Ross, my red trash can. I like the color red. Now we're in my kitchen. It just has like normal kitchen things. I got that cute little canvas that has like the luxury coffees on it. I got that from Burlington. This little chalkboard I got from Ross. And then those are just my frequently used appliances in the kitchen and different things. And then that was just a little print that I made. I followed my heart, it led me to the fridge. That's a Dollar Tree frame, and I just printed it. And then, you know, my fridge is kind of junky, so don't judge me. Guys, I'm right by my couch, and then here's my kitchen. So this just kind of gives you a feel for space. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That was my entire apartment. It's about 500 and I think 30-ish square feet. I live in Birmingham, Alabama, a loft downtown. My rent is around $1,100 a month. I really like this apartment. I really enjoy it, but I just need something bigger. I just need some stuff that's a little more placed differently so it's functional for me. So I'm actually getting ready to move soon. I'm taking some of my furniture, but I'm also getting some new furniture, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see like my new apartment. But yeah, this was a great apartment. I really enjoyed it. It's just, you know, I really kind of want a separate office. As you saw, like my office is here, right here, literally. I can touch my desk and I'm standing next to my couch. And so we just want a little more space. Not we, it's just me. I just want a little more space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing a little bit of what my apartment looks like. If you did like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.